Hey, thanks for watching. This is Jeff with Spartan Epoxies. Today we're going to show you how to do a very cool technique. It's very simple for DIYers and very useful for installers. This is the day before we're mixing our pigments into part A of Clear 100 and allowing them to saturate overnight. We're mixing 4-ounce pearl white with 12-ounce sparkle. Here's our 12-ounce ocean metallic pigment. And we're making our own teal color here. It's 8 ounces of Caribbean with 4 ounces of avocado. We're mixing on slow speed with a drill, but you could mix by hand with a paint stick. After the metallics are mixed thoroughly, we'll pop the lids back on and let them sit overnight. They'll be ready for us the next day. Hi, this is Jeff with Spartan Epoxies. We wanted to stop the video real quick to talk about prepping your walls actually. So before you apply your first layer of epoxy, you want to make sure that all the corners and window sills are free of debris. Block your air vents, and if you have windows in the area, block those too. Any direct sunlight on the floor during the application could cause bubbles afterwards, even when you're not there. So you follow these steps and your application will be awesome. Hey, thanks for watching, and let's get back to the video. This is day 2. We're going to go ahead and mix in our part B. We're going to start with pearl. You mix that for 3 minutes on slow to medium speed. Make sure you do not pull your mixing tool in and out of the epoxy, or you will entrap air into it. The biggest tip I can tell you is do not walk away after you put part B in. Mix it and immediately pour it. I'll be using a 26-inch squeegee, and Erica will be using an 18-inch squeegee. We're going to pour the pearl white sparkle mixture first, then pull it tight in a circular design. This will serve as a design guide for how the rest of the colors are squeegeed. It will also act as a lubricant for the remaining materials to flow over it. Erica is going to stay on the floor. I'm going to jump with Brandon, and we're going to start mixing up our ocean metallic. On a side note, ensure that your mixing station floor is clean and free from debris. Anything that's there can be tracked in from your spikes onto your wet epoxy.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive and I soar. Still I run toward the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find. And oh, with every passing day there's more, calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free. And I simply can't deny it, that I feel adventure calling out to me. Yeah, we are all looking for adventure. I've got a big heart, I can let you in. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. On top of the world. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. On top of the world. People ask me what my secret is, I just smile and say, live for today. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the sun came up and I gotta say, see it in a whole new way. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Yeah. On top of the world. Yeah. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Yeah. On top of the world. Yeah. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Ask me what my secret is. On top of the world. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Ask me what my secret is.
To add a bit more drama to our design, we decided to pour some highlights. You'll see us pour a Caribbean and ocean mixture. We applied Curacao towards the back of the wall by the fireplace, which is a nice gray blue color. It will push the rest of the design forward and give our design a lot of depth. This last highlight is Caribbean. I know we have a lot of colors here, but we wanted to have some fun and educate you on all of our blue colors. The only blue color we didn't use was Azure. You don't have to use the same color seen here, or as many as we did. You can just use one color and take from the squeegee techniques we showed you here today. If you ever watched Bob Ross, then you know he will show you how to make clouds and trees with such minimal effort. That's exactly what we're trying to do today. We want to inspire you to be as creative as possible, educate you with simple and effective techniques. Our goal today is to simply inspire you to make something awesome, just like anyone that is in the creative business. They take from others' ideas. If you do have a large floor, you may wonder how to apply epoxy in such a short amount of time. Well, it's simple. Have a plan, make sure every team member is aware of his or her responsibilities. Keep the design simple and easy to replicate throughout the entire floor. A 3-gallon kit will cover up to 210 square foot, so measure and mark on the wall every 210 square foot. Knowing where your next kit begins and your last ends will ensure proper coverage. This will give you confidence and actually make the process a lot faster for you. I like to do my edges with my squeegee. It's much easier than trying to get a roller on the side of the wall, and the end result is much more cohesive than any roller or brush can do. Just take your squeegee, push the material forward, and then pull it back. Run through it one last time, parallel to the wall, to give it a finished look. Just be aware you have 35 to 40 minutes of working time depending on the temperature in the room. Using air to manipulate your epoxy floor is going to be the best part of the entire process for you. Here's a couple tips which will help lead to a successful application. Use a new or clean leaf blower. If you have a large floor, buy an extra battery. Get a leaf blower with at least a max 530 CFM, which means cubic feet per minute, which refers to the volume of air that comes out of a leaf blower's tube in 1 minute. Be sure that it has a variable speed control. Typically, a leaf blower that ranges from 250 to 400 will do the job. This leaf blower seen in our video has a turbo button which forces air out at a whopping 530 CFM. Now you know I use the turbo button a lot. Last tip, and most important one, make sure that you don't wait longer than 35 minutes to start using the leaf blower. After that time, the epoxy will be a bit more difficult to move, and it's possible that it won't 100% self-level. I'm using a 9-inch, 1/4-inch nap roller to swirl in some of these colors. Only allow the weight of the roller to touch the epoxy. You could do your entire floor this way if you wanted to. You follow these tips, you'll have an incredible floor, and everyone will wonder how you did it. Just so you know, we sell 100% American-made epoxy to everyone. Along with the very best epoxy, you'll get to work directly with an expert installer. They will guide you every step of the way, from replicating a picture you found online to helping you decide how to prep and how to apply. We'll even help you choose the right system for your application. So pick up the phone or order on our website right now. You'll be glad you chose the very best epoxy with the very best support. Here's the floor several months later. The homeowners have 2 little boys and a dog. Their little boys play hockey on this floor on a consistent basis. And as you can see, the floor still looks as good as it did the day that it was poured. All of our coatings are military and industrial grade, so if you're a homeowner, a contractor, or an installer, give us a try. You'll be glad you did. Hey, thanks for watching this video. We greatly appreciate it. We hope that we inspired you to create something beautiful with epoxy.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song, sing you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips. Tell them all to sail away, just to see you every day.